it and we begin to lose it and accomplish a little part of ourselves.
When you see kids coming in that double club, that doesn't interact socially with adults or children, and by the end of preschool or by the end of that time, it's can talk and play and are ready to they want to have our programs that we succeed in with house and clothing.
You can give, you can advocate, and you can volunteer. That's what we need.